How to uninstall apps on Android. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, first method is open up the Play Store. Now tap on the search icon. Tap on the search bar. Now type the name of application you want to delete. Now tap on search. Now tap on the application. Now simply tap on uninstall. Again tap on uninstall. Now the next method is go back to the home screen. Now keep holding the application you want to delete. Now simply tap on uninstall. Again tap on uninstall. Now the third method is open up your app drawer. Now scroll down and find the application you want to uninstall. Now keep holding the application you want to uninstall and tap on uninstall again. Now tap on uninstall. Now the fourth method is open up settings on a device. Now scroll down and click on apps. Now go to app management. Now scroll down and find the application you want to uninstall. Now tap on the application and simply tap on uninstall. Now tap on OK, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.